AI is taking over healthcare, but what does that mean for nurses like you and me? Will we be replaced or empowered? Hey, my name is Darius. I'm a registered nurse, and today we're diving into how artificial intelligence is shaking up the nursing world. I'll cover what AI is doing right now in hospitals, what it can't do, and what nurses need to know to thrive in this new era. So, what is AI in nursing? AI nursing is defined as machines that simulate human intelligence to perform tasks like learning, reasoning, and decision making. It is implemented into documentation, patient monitoring, and predictive analytics. Some examples may include automated charting, remote patient monitoring AI, flagging vital sign abnormalities in ICU or home settings. So, can AI replace nurses? Simple answer, no. AI can't replace empathy, clinical judgment, human connection. AI can augment, but not replace. AI may be good at tasks, but not caregiving. WHO report in 2023, AI should support, not replace, healthcare workers. Nurses' roles are broad: patient education, bedside assessment, emotional support, and advocacy. An AI might detect sepsis early, but it won't comfort a scared patient or comfort a family member during a code. How are nurses using AI right now? Smart IV pumps with error prevention, automated shift scheduling tools, AI-powered symptom checkers that help nurses in triage. I know that there are some hospitals that an AI triage system helped reduce ER wait times by 20%. What nurses should do to stay ahead: learn how AI works, basic digital literacy. There are a ton of free online courses that teach people on how to use AI. Get familiar with EHR tools, data interpretation, remote monitoring tech. Look into informatics certifications. Examples: HIMSS, ANCC, informatic nurses. Future-proof skills: emotional intelligence, critical thinking, leadership, and tech savviness. So no, AI won't replace us, but it will change us. And the nurses who adapt will lead the future of healthcare. What do you think? Would you trust AI to help care for your patients? Leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And if you want more tech and nursing breakdowns, hit that notification bell. See you next time.